Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is an all-day whole house clean with me, so it is packed with cleaning motivation to help you tackle your homes as well. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel for lots of cleaning motivation every single week, and let's just jump straight into it. So as you can see, I'm stripping my bed because it's that time again. It's laundry day for my bedding, and I always like to do this first thing in the morning. So I'm just going to go ahead and strip the bed so I can get that put in the wash while I do the rest of the house. So once I've got all the washing in, I can then focus on the washing up and sort out the rest of the kitchen, getting it ready for the day and getting it all fixed up and looking a lot more put together. It isn't too bad today, so I just need to go in and give it a good clean by wiping down the sides, doing the washing up and just completely declutter it. Once the washing up's done, I'm going to go in with the Flash all-purpose cleaner and just wipe down the sides, getting it nice and fresh. And you know me, I love a good fragrance, so I'm just going to try and get everything smelling beautiful, smelling Christmassy, and just get everything nice and fresh for the day. So once I've finished up in the kitchen, I'm heading through to sort out the living room, and you're going to see a lot of newspaper and a ton of hay because we went ahead and bought a new rabbit. His name is Cinnabon and I absolutely love him. So you're going to see a lot of him going forward because we are going to be keeping him in the living room. But until we've got bunny proofed, he does have to stay in the garage in his hutch. So for now, he's out there and it gives me time to clean up a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and hand wash my husband's face mask because it's been a little while. I'm just going to go ahead and use my normal detergent with the Mrs. Hinch Winter Edition because that smells beautiful. Go ahead and wash that by hand before putting the washing up away. I normally let it air dry, but I have got into the habit of putting it away. I think it just helps the kitchen feel finished once it's been put away, so I'm just going to do that, finish up the kitchen before we can then move back into the living room.
Option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, forget I made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah.
So once I've finished hoovering up all the hay, I'm going to go back and rinse off the face mask just so I can get that hung up to dry. And I'm also going to go in and add some of these scent boosters into the cushions. This is another little tip that I picked up from Mrs. Hinch. If you put them on in the cushions on your sofa, it will just help the whole room as well as the sofa itself smell amazing. So when anyone sits down, it will release a nice fragrance and your whole room will just continue to smell perfumed. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the scent boosters into these little baggies and pop them in all of the cushions.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in
So once all that's done, I'm then going to swap the washing over, sorting out the laundry room and doing some ironing as well. It is laundry day, so I've always got washing to do, folding to do and ironing to do. So I'm just going to crack on with all of that.
Things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no. 'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear.
So I absolutely love fresh bedding. It's definitely one of my favourite things. I just love crawling into bed at the end of a long day into nice, clean, fresh bedding. It's such a lovely feeling. Not a huge fan of actually making the bed, but it needs to be done. So I'm just going to crack on with this, getting it all nice and fresh and made ready for this evening.
I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm
Feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chin up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way.
the last thing I like to do during a big cleaning day is just making the house extra cozy by turning on the fire on the TV, switching on all of the lights, adding some extra fragrance and just making it nice and cozy for the rest of the day. So I'm just going to go around and turn on all of the lights, and then also use the mulled wine Airwick air freshener because I absolutely love this. It smells so good. So I'm just going to spray that through the whole room. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, don't forget to subscribe for lots more every single week, and I'll see you back here in the next one.